What's going on, guys? I'm sorry in advance, but for those of you who are just tuning in for the first time, my name is Jay, and I also go by JD. This is actually more like a commentary because I forgot that the waterproof casing was still on my camera, and I'm showing my adventure to the doghouse opening in Belmont, California on April 14, 2008.
Out here in Belmont, California, about to go try out the beer garden with my good old pal David.
For those of you who haven't been able to try the doghouse yet, this is actually a popular chain, which there are several locations in Southern California as well as one in Fremont. And this is showing the Belmont location where on this day they did allow you to get one free hot dog. My particular favorite is considered a sausage, but that didn't prevent me from ordering it, but I still did claim a free hot dog as well. On this plate here we have featured a Scott Baoli, an order of tots, as well as the Fawns. This delectable sausage is known as the Fawns. This is spicy Italian sausage on top of Hawaiian bread, sprinkled with some pastrami and white cheddar sauce.
Just grabbed some food at the new Doghouse Beer Garden. I mean, who doesn't want to grab a Weiner every now and then?